what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get UTR number online HMRC. So all you have to do is head over to gov.uk. Then from the web page, just start searching for UTR. Just type in UTR and search suggestions shows. Just click on get a UTR number. Then click on find your UTR number. So as you can see here, UTR or the unique taxpayer reference number, you can get this when you register for self-assessment and set up a limited company. So where do you really find the UTR? So if you're an individual or sole trader, you can find it in your personal tax account, also in the HMRC app. And lastly, on previous tax returns and other documents from HMRC. Examples are notices to file a return or payment reminders. Now, if you cannot find your UTR on any of these documents or online, you can head over and contact HMRC just by clicking on this link. So the quickest way to get help from them is chat with them online. Just click on the link. So from here, you will be connected with their chat online, and all you have to do is detail out your issue, which is you can't find or don't have an access to your UTR number. Just type in a message here, then send them a message. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!